Ernie here at WindowFix, just coming in from the outside. It's winter here in New York, and the real feel is about 12 to 14 degrees. And this time of year, we get a ton of phone calls because their windows are cold and drafty. And one thing that inspired me to show you guys today is low E glass and how it works. Low E glass is a coating that's applied to the glass when it's made. It's either a metal or oxide or metallic coating. There's soft coats, there's hard coats, there's all different types of low E, which is often put into one bucket, but there are several different types and each one performs differently. You want to look for the center of glass U value. And the lower the number, the better, by the way, on the U value. The way low E glass works, we have this demo here at WindowFix in our showroom that shows how it works. So basically this heat lamp goes on, and this is a radiometer. You can see that it's not spinning at all. So that's the heat in your house, and the glass is blocking that transmission of heat escaping. It's keeping it in the house. You can see when I turn this, where there's no glass, you can feel the heat, and also you can see the radiometer spinning wildly. So, here at WindowFix, over 40 years of repairing windows, installing windows, we know the ins and outs. We put them back together. We know what works, what doesn't work. But this time of year, you're going to be wishing that you had low E glass.